In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to upload a file in a channel in Discord. Whether you want to share a document, a photo, a video, or any other file with your friends, team, or community, Discord makes it quick and easy once you know where to click. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can follow along without any confusion. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and easy Discord tutorials. Let's get started. First, you need to open Discord. You can do this either through the Discord desktop app or by going to discord.com in your web browser and logging into your account. Once you're logged in, make sure you're inside the correct server where you want to upload the file. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see a list of servers you're part of. Click on the server and then select the specific channel where you want the file to be uploaded. This can be a text channel like General, Announcements, or any custom channel your server has set up. Now that you're inside the correct channel, look toward the message box area at the bottom of the screen. On the left side of the message text box, you'll see a small plus icon. This plus icon is what allows you to add attachments to your message. Go ahead and click on that plus icon. When you click it, a small menu will pop up with different options. From this menu, choose the option that says Upload a File. This will open your computer's file browser window. Inside the file browser, navigate to the location where your file is saved. This could be your desktop, Downloads folder, Documents folder, or anywhere else on your computer. Once you find the file you want to share, click on it to select it and then click Open. After you do that, Discord will attach the file to your message. You'll now see a preview of the file just above the message box, confirming that it's ready to be uploaded. Before sending the file, you also have the option to type a message along with it. Simply click inside the text box at the bottom of the channel and type anything you'd like to include. For example, you might want to explain what the file is, give instructions, or tag specific members so they get notified. Adding context is especially helpful in busy servers where lots of messages are being posted. Once you're ready, press the Enter key on your keyboard, or click the Send button if you're using the web version. Discord will immediately begin uploading the file to the channel. The upload speed will depend on your internet connection and the size of the file. After it finishes uploading, everyone in that channel who has permission will be able to see and download the file. And that's it. That's how you upload a file in a channel in Discord. Open Discord, go to the correct server and channel, click the plus icon, choose Upload a File, select your file, optionally type a message, and press Enter to send it. It's a simple process once you know where everything is located. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy Discord guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.